There's my son taking that baby up to 5.5 or maybe 3.1. I don't know, that's pretty slow. That's his first time driving the thing. We got it running, or I got it running good enough to drive around. He's doing good. Still got a wicked exhaust leak on this thing, but that's a job for another day. Say hey, buddy.
Huh?
He's not big on the camera thing. Just making ruts in the yard here. Say hey, Jacob.
Oh, hey, Jacob.
Hey, Gian.
Hey, hey, everybody.
Zoe, Julia, everyone. Uncle Ferdy. It's your turn next, Jacob. You turn the PPO on.
Yeah.
Got it in neutral.
Yeah.
What about the range delay?
Do I put it high?
Neutral. And then turn the gas off.
That little bastard is scared. Where is that?
What? You still got wasps on here?
Yes, many. He was just sitting there looking at me.
I think they're up under the dash here still.
They are. I'd be careful, Dad.
Got a lot of wasps up under there.
They
I
don't discriminate.
thought I got them out, but evidently not.
There's like 4 of them surrounding me.
All right. Need some damn lift arms here. And we need to service this leveler box here. That thing's locked up. Sitting out in the damn rain. All right.